show up?
Yo, default.
What?
You're bad.
I am bad, dude. You're correct. I'm terrible at this game. I got it like 4 days ago, and my mom beats me.
No one cares about your life, okay? Just be quiet. Oh my god. Can we just get this 1v1 over with? Like, I don't even wanna be in.
Sorry,
This is just. Oh, dude, I didn't.
Yeah, pull up on the scene. I ain't getting home, nigga. What the hell it mean? Nigga, what's a fiend? My thing.
Oops. Hi. Why did the horse cross the road to meet his neighbors? My mommy made dino nuggies. Whoa, who put that there? I could got hurt big.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.